So we're at the Puaka Zoo right now, and we're just going to explore all the animals. So there's tigers and everything, and it's going to be so amazing. And we also just got the food. Oh my god. Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Just set it in the lid. Just hold the lid tight.
Oh. Put it in the lid, yeah.
Ostrich was the worst one because it actually was biting Nishu. Like when Nishu was feeding the ostrich, it was actually biting it.
Oh my god, it's so cute how it licks you. Aww.
Aw, that's adorable. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, is it fluffy?
Yeah.
Go! Just go next to it! Put it closer! Put it closer! Stop putting it away! Give it! It is very hungry!
So cute.
And there's llamas over here. Look how cute they are.
Llama!
So this bird above me can actually say hello, and it's a cockatoo. Did you just hear it speak? This is actually so amazing. Say hello again. Say hello again. Say hello. Oh my god. This is absolutely cool. Actually so cute.
They're like all in a bunch.
Is
We
it,
just finished it up in like 2 seconds.
is it really hungry? Are you?
Okay, these ones are hungry, man.
And are they licking you?
Yeah. I'm gonna get as much as that one. So
That
cool.
one's actually so big. Oh my god, there's another one over there.
Yeah, I saw 3.
There's 3. Oh my god, this is
one's
actually
pretty cool, actually.
yeah, it is. This is an emu right here,
It's native to Australia.
and it's native to Australia. And there's another chicken over there, and there are pigs over there. And the pigs bite, so be careful. Hello. Okay, never mind.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, that's so cute.
Have some more.
So the zoo was actually so much better than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
My highlight part, my best favorite part is the hello talking bird, the cockatoo. It's actually so
Yeah,
amazing.
so
I've
cute.
never seen a bird just like that. What's your favorite bit?
I like the tigers and the lions.
Oh, yes.
They were pretty. The
Yes.
lion mostly, the male one.
Yeah.